All right, this is a short little video about a microwave oven. I just disassembled. Most of it I already got rid of. This is the interior of what it looks like. This is the magnetron tube, and it goes in here. It goes in here. This is the antenna, and this is the waveguide, which feeds into the chamber of the microwave, so it cooks your food. Now these magnetrons run at 2 gigahertz and above, and this particular one runs at 900 watts of power. It feeds inside the cavity here, or inside the microwave oven itself. So we're going to take a look inside in the cavity here next. As you can see here, here's the hole here. It goes into that waveguide, or launcher as they call it sometimes, and this tube goes in here like this, and it mounts right in. Like I said, this is your antenna, and it goes in here inside the cavity. Now you see how nasty this is from years of use, and I took it apart to get rid of this thing, make it easy to get rid of, but I saved the main components. So in the next shot, we'll show you the inside of the cavity where this radiates out through, so you can notice it in your own microwave oven. This is why you don't fool around with microwave ovens. They're very dangerous to begin with. So we'll catch you, and we'll get to the next view in a second here. All right, this is the inside of your microwave oven, and if you notice, this is where your cooking takes place and all the heating takes place. Notice there's a little plastic cover up here. That's where your waveguide is, or your launcher, and all your microwave energy comes out of there and fills the cavity here, and that's what causes your heating. Now that's why you should have this periodically check for any leaks out of your microwave and through the door. That's what I had a problem with. This one, the door is broken, had a slight leak. Time to get rid of it. So I saved the main, like I said before, I saved the main components. It's just a little educational video, just to let you know, don't mess with these things yourself. Either take it to a professional or just get it replaced. These things are high RF energy, and they are very dangerous. They have high voltage on the inside. I'll show you what the transformer looks like that in the next view. All right, this is the transformer for the microwave. Again, here's the tube. Don't open on the antenna. And these things got heavy windings. Look at how heavy these windings are. Man, oh shivets. Look at that. This is heavy duty. This thing is very high voltage, approximately 4,000 volts to drive this thing, to get this thing going. That's why it generates so much power out of this thing. It takes a lot of energy, 900 watts of RF energy. I mean, that's really interesting. You'll get your magnets on each side, cooling fins, radiating fins. This is, again, like I said, the antenna, which launches your RF energy into the waveguide, into the cabinet or cavity where you heat up your food. And these are, like I said, don't ever work on these yourself. These things can, this is lethal. The radiation from this can cook you from the inside out. You won't know it until it's too late. This is a Zap checker I got on Amazon years ago. I think they're still available. You can basically get an idea of the readings of your microwave. You turn it on and go around the door and look for radiation leaks. Like I said, the door I had was broken. We had a slight leak. That was one of the reasons we had decided time to change it, get rid of it. So definitely invest in these. Not very expensive. Definitely invest in one of these if you have a microwave. And if you have issues or problems with your microwave, I'm calling a professional to check it out. Or better yet, they're not expensive these days. Just replace it. Installation or replacing the microwave oven, even if it's an overhead over the stove, it's really not that bad. I did it myself, and it wasn't an hour. Took the old one out, put the new one in, done, boom. So it wasn't that bad. I looked on a YouTube video too to see how to do it. I said, wow, that's not too bad. So I said, I'd give it a try. And it worked on pretty damn good. So again, just a little educational video on a microwave, on basic principles of how it works, and what not to do with them. So what not to do is work on it yourself. That's it for this little video. Catch you on another one. Have a good evening. Thanks. Bye.